Yum.
Yum.
But it's not old. Mama, it's not old. This is new.
Okay.
Oh no! It's not bottle.
Come on, let's go now.
It's Mary's bottle.
Is that Mary's bottle?
Yeah, it does.
Was Mary here today?
Yeah. It's an alligator.
What is that?
Alligator.
Alligator?
Yes, it is.
Ayaw pa umuwi ng batang to,
Mama,
guys.
I found a hedgehog.
What's the name?
Hedgehog.
Oh, yeah, that's right. May pa ka na, kaila ka na.
I'm gonna be burned here.
Are you burnt?
And yeah.
What happened?
It's a burn from the sun.
It's from the sun?
Yeah.
You burnt your face? Is that why it's red?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. How about your hair?
Huh? No, it didn't burn. Wait, it didn't burn.
It didn't burn, just your face.
It's just my face. Do you have red in mine? Yours?
No, I didn't get burned. Tatlo yung plants na dinala ko sa bahay nung lockdown. Dalawa lang yung nakabalik. Hindi kinaya ng isa. Na-stress ng isa. Na-stress ng isa kaya hindi siya nakabalik dito sa Australia. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng baby, may tinatawag nilang baby bonus. Kasi yung friend ko before, nagkaanak siya, and then may natanggap siyang $7,000 or $5,000 yata, galing sa, sa gobyerno. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. It is Tuesday. Princess. Yes, your yogurt. You want to say good morning to Tita and Tita? Okay. How are you? You put sit down sa tabi. Come here, Sabi.
I don't want to.
Yeah, say good morning, everyone.
No.
May bata na, so kilala in the morning, oh. Ayaw niyang magpabihis punta ng school. Si Mami ay going to... Why is that, sweetheart?
The one school.
Oh, Mary's there waiting for you.
No, the one.
She wants to play with you.
No, the one.
And Millie.
No.
Oh, shush.
I'm
Ayan.
scared.
Late na naman tayo, anak. Si Mami niyo ay sa office mag-work today. And tingnan niyo, nakalabas, oh. Yung plants na yan, originally, sa office talaga yan. Tapos, nung nag-lockdown, dinala ko sila sa bahay para maalagaan ko sila. And now that this is my last week sa ating work.
Turn it on.
Turn it on. Oh.
I don't want.
Okay, you change it yourself, sweetheart. You're a big girl already. Good morning, guys. Kunin na ang plants. Sa ulit na sa may-ari.
Buhay pa ba? Sure. Tagalog.
Yes!
Where's Malaki?
They're still alive.
Oh, right.
Two of them. That's from Lola Karen.
Lola
Paris. Have a look. Yeah. Oh, I forgot that.
Kasi Lola Karen.
Kasi Lola Karen ni Paris na eh.
Ah, the Lola.
That's for baby Celine.
Alam na mga sa'yo. Alam this. This is cute.
Yeah, that's okay.
What's the color of this?
Sage green.
Seafoam green.
Have a look, have a look.
Oh, yes.
Seafoam
Did you
green.
wear the dress?
Yeah, on the
Look at the
weekend.
picture lagi.
Hindi ko kayo kagtiyan.
Was it not you? Or did you have like a small, just a slight photo?
Yeah. No, I had photo, but didn't like it. So.
Tapos
See?
yeah.
Uy, pamanati. Uy, tanawa na. Kung unsa na sila ka-green. Grabe, sad kay ka makahusga, no? Nga pa yung tops, no?
Grabe saan ka mo kaya tops? Lagi sa charger? You charge si Celine?
Ikaw, rapapapi. Agay, agay. Hindi na talaga babalik.
Di.
Di na babalik.
sa uli ka dyan mga,
Sa uli ng
mga,
hindi ka dapat sa akin.
A few moments later.
Hi friends! Good evening! It's now 6 o'clock ng gabi. And, nandito pa kami sa ano. Tingnan nyo, ang isa. Hi T! I can see your bum crack. Nandito pa kami sa office guys kasi alam nyo, kaka-film lang namin ng unboxing ni Bestie Ron. So, stay tuned sa ating unboxing. And ito na yung plants na dinala natin, oh. Ayan. Binalik na dyan. Actually, 3 pala yung dinala ko sa bahay, guys, nung nag-lockdown. Ayun yung isa doon, oh. Kita ba? Tapos yung isa, hindi kinaya ang lockdown. Sabi ko, 3 yung plants na dinala ko sa bahay nung lockdown. 2 lang yung nakabalik. Hindi kinaya ng isa. Na-stress ng isa. Na-stress ng isa kaya hindi siya nakabalik dito. So, ayan yung isa. So, ayan. Ibig sabihin yan talaga ay aalis na talaga ako, tiye. Aalis na talaga ako. Aalis na talaga ako.
ano,
So, it's getting real na talaga, guys, na aalis si mami niyo. Maternity leave. Actually, kahapon nag-usap. Kahapon nag-usap.
usap like kaon?
Actually, kahapon nag-usap kami ng boss ko kasi tinawagan niya ako. And shinare ko nga kay Ron kasi sabi ng boss ko, so
Usap?
have you decided when you're coming back already? Oh, sabi kay Ron, gabi, hindi pa ako nakaalis, pinapabalik na ako ng boss ko.
Pagay na kasi nakauli. Bakit na sa balik?
Yeah, I know. He was already asking kung kailan ako babalik. And I said, hindi ko pa alam kasi nga, 'di ba? Kahit nung kay Paris 13 months akong nawala, and how much more this time na 2 na yung bulilit ko. So I'm not too sure talaga kung kailan ako makakabalik. But meron pa lang hingunti. Chika sa ako kunti. So meron pa lang nag-comment sa inyo kasi nga nagtanong about sa maternity leave. So dito sa Australia kasi, guys, kapag nag-work ka for the same company straight ng 2 years,
Kapag timbok ko bulo.
meron kang, yun yung benefit mo, isa sa mga benefit mo na 12 months maternity leave. Tapos, so it means ikikip nila yung job mo. So after 12 months, when you come back, you still have your job. And then, meron din nagsabi about sa pay. So, para clear, yung kasi guys, hindi ka talaga binabayaran ng company for the whole 12 months. So, dito sa Australia, when you go on maternity leave, you will get like, parang, makakatanggap ka ng pay for at least 18 weeks. So, 18 weeks, you will receive, yung minimum na wage dito sa Australia. So, hindi talaga yung salary na natatanggap ko from the company. So, hindi ganun siya kalaki yung matatanggap. Yung minimum lang na sweldo sa Australia, which is, I don't know this time. I don't know this year. Hindi ko na alam sa ngayon, guys, kung magkano talaga. Pero yun yung mangyayari, guys. The government will pay 18 weeks through the company. So, hindi talaga siya diretso sa akin. Through the company, tapos yung company ko yung magbabayad sa akin for 18 weeks. Pero after that, guys, wala na. Zero balance na. Like, living na lang, sa savings na lang. Kasi wala nang salary. But seriously, that is much better than, getting nothing, right? And you go away having a baby. That's really hard. And, ngayon pala, I think like 5 years ago or 6 years ago, change din nila. Used to be, sa Australia, kapag nagkaroon ka ng baby, may tinatawag nilang baby bonus. Kasi yung friend ko before, nagkaanak siya, and then may natanggap siyang $7,000 or $5,000 yata, galing sa Gobyerno kapag nagka-baby ka. But then they stopped doing that kasi na-notice siguro ng gobyerno na kahit yung mga yung mga young kids, alam niyo yung mga tawag ito mga teen moms, ganun, mas dumami yung teen moms because of that, because they thought that
How much you get?
5 or 7 grand.
Oh wow.
Like baby bonus. Like, yeah, I know, have a baby. So, nagdaghan ng population because of the baby bonus. I think that's, I don't know, I'm not sure guys, huwag niyong ibase sa akin, but that's what I heard. Kaya wala. Nung nanganak,
Somewhat true.
yeah, nung nanganak ako sa Paris, wala akong natanggap talaga na baby bono. Wala talagang bonus guys. Yung ano lang, yung natanggap ko lang na benefit ko from the company and from the government. That's about it. But yeah, it would be really nice, no? Pag may baby bonus ka na $5,000 or $7,000 in your bank. But yeah, that's the benefit that you will get if you're working full time. I don't think makukuha mo yung ganun guys na 18 weeks na minimum wage kapag part-time ka lang or casual ka lang. You have to be like full-time worker. So I've been with this company for 6 years na this next
That's
month.
it? No way.
Yeah. 6 years.
Really?
Yes.
6 months.
Yeah, 6 years. So that's a long time. That's a really long time. Anyways, chika po more. Akong anak dito karon, naghilata na. Where's my mommy? Ayan. So last week ko na dito guys. So I'm working in the office tomorrow and Thursday. Tapos Friday work from home kasi si Paris nasa bahay na. And that's my last day. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my laptop yet and all. Ay, may meeting man ito bukas, no? Yeah, so we have meeting tomorrow with my boss. No? Hit. It's okay. We will turn the thing off. The lights downstairs. Ha? Magtanaw sa dalan. Bayet! So, see, tingnan nyo ang ginagamit yung stairs everyday, guys. Oh, kaya ako nagka-cramps. Cramps for more.
You can walk across, but
How be you
that
told
one.
you said you're going to
Like
tell me
point your foot up.
like that?
No, like diri na. Kanina siya ano.
Oh, anak ra?
Yeah, like
Baby,
that.
baby. Anak ra? Show them tea because they might say,
Physio?
yeah, I know. Because I always
No, like, you got-
get cramps, guys,
You got
during the
cramps,
night.
You just have to go like this. So stretch your toes up. Yeah, like that.
Anak lang?
Yeah, ano siya.
Dili i-elevate?
Huh?
Dili
No,
i-elevate?
just go like this.
Anak ra? Labi sakit
Philippine.
naman kay tea.
No, you have to fight di ba, one yung cramp. You have to fight for it because I think there's some sort of the tendons ganyan, like the curls. So you have to fight. You have to make sure the tendons. Di mo sa tendons.
Actually, guys, alam niyo, guys,
Tendon na ano.
Kasi, alam niya kasi, doctor to siya before. Dr. Wakwak.
Di siya tendons. Di mo siya kanang tendons ba ano?
I don't know.
Because you have this thing. Na siya yung more siya wire ganyan.
Yeah, I don't know.
But it's not a wire, but it's like that's the elastic.
Na sometimes malagi kay.
That's how you use. That's how you do
Okay,
it.
mine is here. Kani siya dani mo side ni mo. Ana gyud siya
Yeah, that
This side.
like you have to go just go like this, and then
I'm not
everything.
there?
Yeah, like just to go like just make sure it's straight here, and then go like that.
I'm not ready.
So you fight for it.
Okay, I'll feel it again tonight for sure. Like, yeah, freaking hell. Buntis pa more. Gabi, guys. Dami ng sakit na nararamdaman.
But can
Tignan
you
niyo.
feel though when you stretch your toes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That, you just have to do that.
So, ayan guys. Update tayo. Hi, Baby Celine. We're going to see Baby Celine very soon, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, we go pick up Paris now. T, bye-bye to them.
Bye.
Ayan. We'll see you later, guys. Ay, ako lang
Kita
pala.
dong, bye. Ano, bye.
Oh, ito pala yung inano namin, guys. Ito pala yung in-unbox namin. So, stay tuned for that. Ito yung niya.
Bili pa rin, ha?
Natanggap. Wala pa. Natanggap niya na regalo for his birthday.
A few moments later.
You playing with cuddles? Hmm?
Just play.
Touch cuddles.
I just touched the ears.
Really?
Yeah, I did.
Is cuddles so soft?
Yes, cool.
Okay, let's go get your bag first, come.
Wow, just touch.
Okay, touch. Soft.
I don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
Just touch.
Hello, cuddles.
Can I touch here, Mommy?
Where? Hello, cuddles.
Let's go outside.
Come on, let's go get your bag. Get your bag. How about your water bottle now? Ooh, turn the light off. Come on.
I know where that's later.
Where's your water bottle? Come on. B, give me the bag to Mommy, B. Just get the water bottle in the room. Come on, go. Oh, water bottle. Go, go. Water bottle.
I found it.
Oh, why is it so full, honey? Didn't you drink water?
I did.
Why is it so full?
I want to drink.
Okay, drink now. Did you fill it up?
Yeah.
Yum.
But it's not old. Mama,
Hmm.
it's not old. This is new.
Okay.
Oh no! It's not bottle.
Come on, let's go now.
It's Mary's bottle.
Is that Mary's bottle?
Yeah, it does.
Was Mary here today?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Did you play? Come on.
I'm not gonna touch this one.
Say hi sa lagi. Here.
Hi.
Say hi, Tito and Tito.
Hi.
Good afternoon. Come on now.
I'm trying to get my toe. I'm taller.
You're taller.
I'm here.
Oh, really? You wish, honey. You have to eat more to get there. Okay? Come on now, because Daddy's waiting. You're so tall now, anak.
Ah.
You're so tall. Come on now. Bye-bye.
Now let me touch the blue tag.
Of course you can. Get you to touch it once, okay? And then we gotta go because it's so late now. B, show Mommy B if you can reach.
Yeah.
Way.
Mama, I can't. Mommy, can just take one later.
Mm-hmm.
Later, Mommy.
Yes, anak.
Just be
You're a beautiful girl. Come on now.
later, Mommy.
Yes. We'll go get blue tack from the shop. Come on.
The one.
Yes, you can play.
We're going to play it.
Okay.
I just want small.
Okay.
No, I want big.
Big one or small one?
Alligator.
What is that?
Alligator.
Alligator?
Yes, it's.
Ayaw pa umuwi ng batang to,
Mama,
guys.
I found a hedgehog.
What's the name?
Hedgehog.
Oh, yeah, that's right. May pa ka na, kaila ka na.
Here's a kangaroo. I found another kangaroo.
Who's that?
A kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Like one big blue tack.
Come on now.
I say the blue tack.
Blue tack? Nak, wala lagi kayo mong naong nak. Your face is so...
burnt here.
Are you burnt?
And yeah.
What happened?
I just burned from the sun.
It's from the sun?
Yeah.
You burnt your face? Is that why it's red?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. How about your hair?
Huh? No, it didn't burn. Wait, it didn't burn.
It didn't burn? Just your face?
It's just my face. Do you have red in mine? Yours?
No, I didn't get burned. My face is not red. Yours only, see?
No, I didn't have it.
Hmm?
I didn't burn.
It didn't burn. Ay, that's because you're so beautiful. That's why it's red. See?
I don't want. No, I didn't hurt myself face.
No.
I didn't burn my.
You didn't burn your face. Come on.
I didn't dig.
So you didn't kiss baby Celine. Hello, friends.
Daddy,
We just got home. Like, literally, kakapasok lang namin sa loob ng bahay. And Daddy Mike got this ready na pala. Oh, ayan.
Yeah.
So, ito yung dinner namin for tonight. Is this mine here?
No, that's the fish ones.
yours.
Yeah. Got fish. Oopsie. Fish, calamari, and chips.
Mama, I don't want chicken.
It's not chicken.
What's that?
It's Elsa food.
Yeah, right.
See?
I want one tomato.
falling.
Okay.
You're so big now, that's why.
Halaga eating my candy.
You're candy, no, you're food. Ayan, kain muna kami, guys.
Mama, look at my uncle.
You're tall. See, babe, Mama will show you. Oh, Paris is so tall now.
Kaya
Mm-hmm. If you eat this one, then yeah, you'll be taller. Here, up to here.
Wow.
Up to here.
Just your chippies and your food.
Bon appetit, guys. Kain muna kami. Before pala kami umuwi, nag-stop kami ni Baby Paris sa grocery. Pero hindi na ako nag-vlog nung nandun kami, guys. Kasi alam nyo na, kapag nasa grocery shopping tayo, very hard na mag-vlog ganyan with Paris around. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung binili ko, guys. Konti lang naman kasi wala si Daddy. Walang mag-arsa. So, I bought this bread. Ayan. And then, ayan, multi-grain loaf bread. I've got some strawberries. I've got Anzac biscuits. Ayan, cookies. Ayan, sa isang plastic. Tapos, dito, milk. Ayan. And then, some crumpets sa umaga, pang breakfast. Toothpaste. Ayan. Hindi talaga ako pumipili ng mga toothpaste, guys, na wala, I don't stick to any toothpaste. Kung ano lang yung nakasale. Ito half price, kaya yung binili. Slice na slice na tawag ito, dried mango. Got that. We got fruit as well, mandarin. Ayan, ito din siya half price, yung ating dishwashing liquid. Paris naglagay nito. Pocky. My chocolate drink. Ayan. And then the last one is Milo. Ayan, maliit lang. Kasi ito yung nakasale. Ayan. So, yeah. Yun lang yung ating nabili from the shops. Konting-konti lang. Yung reason talaga pumunta ako ng shops is yung milk for Paris and the bread. Kasi sa umaga, gusto niya ng bread and jam. Kaya, yun. Time check, guys. It's now 9:30 ng gabi. Ang aking mata ay sobrang pulang-pula na. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nasa bed na. Actually, tinatawagan niya ako. Sinasabi niya na kamutabi na kasi nga late na nga daw. Kagabi kasi maaga kami natulog and it feels so good pagkagising mo sa umaga na para bang sakto yung tulog mo. Kaya yun. Tapos ako naman, guys, ito sitting down lang dito sa couch kasi gusto kong tapusin yung editing ko. Hindi tayo nakapag-upload today. Pasensya na talaga. Medyo nahihirapan ako kapag nasa office ako nagtatrabaho, guys, kasi sobrang tutok na tutok talaga ba pag nag-work. Kaya yun. Anyways, yung isa ay nandyan pa, oh. Hello? Come here. Let us say good night, tita and tito. What are you eating? Pocky. You'll brush your teeth after that, okay? We'll do a quick shout out now. The first shout out goes to Tessie Diolanto, Teza Moreno, Claudine Reid, Claudine's Kitchen.
I want that one.
Okay, sweetheart.
I want
Lovella Raduk, Rosemary Varzon, Kalimag Feli, Jeneline De Leon, Shailene Rafales, Annabelle Amolo. I don't want one, Nak. Thank you.
Try it, yeah.
I don't want. My teeth is hurting. It's sweet. It's so sweet. Yeah. Joanne Owano, Mama V's Vlogs, Agnes Quinto, Fe Guarnes, Lee Fam Vlogs, Norberta Nono, Yeth Balino, Emelita Gonzalez, Winnie Dozon, Migs G, Digna Villavicencio, Jocelyn Pason, Joanne Ambe, Lovely Dugomeo, Feli Ilamparo, Clinton Lily Ilak Speakerman, Mercy Narito, Noeme Macanas, Carmelita Quecho, Elena Risulis, Melin Lorente, Calvin Borinaga, and Jean Bugsik. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Come here. Nag-thumbs up siyang layo niya, guys. So, thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. Come here. It's your turn. And if you can't,
Bye-bye.